Hello friends, welcome to Natural Beauty Secrets. Today I will show you how to make a natural hair growing recipe with the ingredients available in your home garden. This pack can help reduce hair fall and manage dry and frizzy hair, regrow new hair also. Before going to the video, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and select the all, then you will receive all the notifications from this channel. To make this hair pack, first we will need 20 hibiscus leaves and 1 big onion. Also some curry leaves. First of all, we should wash curry leaves and hibiscus leaves well. Next, cut the washed hibiscus leaves into small pieces. We are cutting these leaves into small pieces because then we can blend it very well. Now prepare the curry leaves also. Now take 1 big onion, cut it into small pieces. We are cutting this onion into small pieces. Then we can make a smooth paste by blending it when it is in small pieces. Now take a clean blender jar. Add all the ingredients into the blender jar. Small onion pieces, curry leaves and hibiscus leaves. Finally, add 1 yogurt to it and blend it until it's become a smooth paste. Add the blended mixture into a clean bowl and our hair pack is ready to use. Now let's see how to use this hair pack. You should apply this to the combed hair. Divide the hair into sections and then apply it on your scalp to grow your hair very quickly. Remember to apply this on your scalp. Leave it for 1 hour. You should do this treatment before 12 p.m. Wash your hair after 1 hour. Hibiscus helps prevent hair loss. It balances the pH value of the scalp, reduces grassiness of hair, stimulates hair growth, prevents split ends and reduces the grain of hair are some benefits. These many benefits make hibiscus one of the most used plants for hair treatment. Curry leaves stimulates hair growth. Curry leaves are a rich source of protein which is essential for hair growth and maintaining healthy hair. Plus, it has beta-carotene and amino acids which also work at reducing hair loss and help strengthen hair fossils. Regenerate dormant fossils and regrow new hair are some benefits of curry leaves for hair. Make sure to use this hair pack 3 times a week and definitely after 1 month you will be able to see wonderful results. Also remember to use a baby shampoo when you're washing your hair after using this hair pack. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button below the video and thank you so much for watching.